Ohaneze ndị be kenekwa m na-ekwugo m okwu several na-asị ihe ọbụla mmadụ na-eme n'ụwa ifi na ịma nsị nwa mmadụ thank you. Ọ bụrụ na ịma mpụta nwu mepe ọnụ sị mmadụ ibe gị na thank you na nke mere eme, you don't have any right ije criticize onye ahụ mgbe abụna na drag ya. That is the problem most of our people na-enwe. Somebody that you don't like, somebody that you don't even value, somebody that ị na-agwa ya okwu anyhow, onwezi aka esi wee kwuo okwu na social media epụta ịbọpụta ọnụ ị na-asị na onye akwesịkwa na ime nka na onye akwesịkwa na ime ọzọ. Na keep asking myself, biko n'udododo, kedu nụ ajụ ihe Ebuka Obi memba ịkpọkọsị ndị alụ nọ na street n'imego na-ebuje ha ebe ha kwesịrị ịnọ na-ewepụtakwala ha nne ha ya niile. You know, a high time the church have to come together so okay na if not from the Catholic, at least let Christian Association of Nigeria can. But akwụsị oke onye anụ nwa na agbani. Thank you also for doing this and that. We are quick to criticize, but we are not quick to value. We are quick to demarcate our own, but we are not quick in isikwa na nka ina eme ọfụma. This thing name Ebuka Obi na isi ebe ni nara amụta ihe ni. I keep saying this thing name now. Ọ bụrụ na nara amụta ihe ni as a Christian, no, as a lay person, no, as a priest, no, as a church goer, as an ordinary human being, as in your common day-to-day life. Ọ bụrụ na nwere ihe na amụta na ya, mmadụ nọ n'oge na social media bara uru. To everything ọ bụla mmadụ na-eme ekwesị ịdị ịtọ ntị na na-amụta ihe, because ọnwụ ndị kwuru okwu na-asị na nwa mara ihe nọ ebe a na-enye nwa onye ọzọ advice o wele nke ha na-amụrụ ihe. To me, Ebuka Obi has done more good than ihe ọjọọ na-asị n'ọma, because I've said it severally. Esi m na Ebuka Obi gburu mmadụ, show me proof. Esi m na ọ kpaliri mmadụ, show me proof. Because na I can remember speech o mee na-ese okwu anụnwa unu na-asị na ọ kpali mba Peter Mba kpali onye anụnwa. Mmadụ pụta asị gị kwuo okwu sị na onye mere ihe a na ọma ndị natali ya na mma, ọkpọrọ onye afa ngwa anọzi n'akụkụ bido bawa mba na ọbụla onye mmadụ ọnụ. Are you ime onye mere the thing? Ime onye mere ya? Yotago no, you fully aware that now you once said such similar thing to Bishop. You once said similar thing to the people that were sent aside for you to to caution you when you were going haywire during your own time. You said something worse than this. And when your people even went and vandalized here na baby shop, if you admitted na your video mgbe nata say na ihe obuna emel no yiwe that no nwere onye easy ka o je mee such thing. You first of all accept the fact that something may na baby shop. Then why is it difficult for you people to accept the fact that now somebody somewhere locked up this stadium and gave order for Ebuka Obi to ibulu program ya kawana nka okonelele? What is difficult for there? Then let us accept the fact ni hanu ngame. Then I chose ihe mele no ojueme. Man, we have never come out for one day admit here or condemn when he mele fellow preacher no obodo. And we stand on that with pride. They say that na nature, oboro nature stop on that na ibia obodo ni ya stop on one. You said it twice. Your ambassador said it many couple of times also. And we go fuchu kwa aka ina efe. In this video, kuno wate yemne kuno basinketa.
You see this thing Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing currently now over there in the east. Our people Obi. Now some of these our leaders, especially these sitting governors, excluded Governor Soludo, and or whatever reasonings they had. This is what all of them would have come together to support that foundation, and they appreciate and acknowledge Evangelist Ebuka Obi for that good work he's doing over there in Anambra State, in Enugu State, in Ebonyi State, in Abia State, in Imo State. I don't want to count other states for now. Let me stick with these 5 major Igbo states. What the government is not even doing, going around picking out mad people on the street, mental ill people, picking them, taking them to a shelter, transmogrifying them from eating leftover food on the street, eating trash, to enjoying fried rice with chicken na hamano. I think it was last night or 2 days ago. I was watching one of the video. If you see the type of fried rice this mad guy is eating with chicken, I was like, these people they enjoy you. These people they enjoy you. Like, yeah, you sure my madness is not the real way to go right now, you know? You know? Oh well, that's the guy in our bar. Now, but do you know who I am? I'm not going anywhere with you guys. I'm not going anywhere with you guys. I'm not going. After Kasasaya, who changed the fried rice and chicken. Oh, now like sometimes I feel for a lot of them actually, because society over there back home are not being fair for them. If it happens to be like a country like where I am, those people are the special type of people the government take care of. Those people, because the fact that they are going through madness, whatever in their life, doesn't cancel them as human beings. So what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing is what, for me, I think all these sitting governors should come together and invest on, like, try to make sure that that particular seraphic hospital is not lacking anything and can never lack anything, and donate more bunks, more workers, to make their services very smooth. But our people's things are very different. If you don't go the other time, no gas, you can see us here, you can see us in here, I see us in here any other. I don't want to say some certain things. So I appreciate Evangelist Ebuka and Seraphic Foundation. You know, say sometimes when we come out to say some of these things, people will say it's because you are going to the ministry, it's because they are paying you, it's because they are, it's because of this, it's because of that. That is why you are speaking about them, or good of him. But if you are someone that have sense, someone with conscience, there are some certain things you would always try to speak, because you are human. Because on iburo onyara kanda na on the street. Because that sentiment has to go some of you your brain. That's why I always come out to say, oh, if you ain't kidding, I go. Let me see pay for her bill. Let me see pay for her bill. As if you idiot know how much expenses I'm doing every month here. This is in the here every month. Some of you bastard, 34 years in me and I buy. All around the expenses in the men every month. That's $4,000 every month, not every year. Also, you guys should watch this video and make sure you share after watching, and God keep blessing them. That's why I'm telling people, you feel that somebody that is doing all this charity work, Evangelist Ebuka, now things that happen to them anyhow. No, things that happen to them anyhow. If you don't know, things that used to happen to them anyhow, because sometimes in most of the cases their good deed are always the things that is speaking for them, even though before they will get there, or before they will be aware of whatever. Think God and nature is stupid. They are not.